Hey everyone! Welcome back to Money Matters Daily. I'm GC, and today we're exploring creative ways to save money. Whether you're saving for a big goal or just stretching your budget, these tips will help you save more. Let's dive in. First up are some home and lifestyle hacks. Try tackling minor home repairs yourself with online tutorials instead of hiring professionals. Switching to LED bulbs and using energy-efficient appliances can also lower your utility bills. And a programmable thermostat can help manage heating and cooling costs. Additionally, planning your meals, buying in bulk, and cooking in batches can significantly cut down on food expenses. Now let's talk smart shopping strategies. Opt for store brands instead of name brands, as they often offer the same quality at a lower cost. Take advantage of cashback apps to get money back on your purchases, and buy seasonal items off-season to snag the best deals. A few clicks can lead to big savings. For budget-friendly entertainment and activities, explore free local events like concerts and festivals, take advantage of your local library's free books, movies and classes, and get creative with DIY fun. Host game nights, start a book club, or try crafting or gardening. You can have a blast without breaking the bank. And that's a wrap on our creative money-saving tips. If you found these ideas helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving advice. Thanks for watching and see you next time.